Quick reading for March the 9th to March the 10th, Gemini. Your cards are the Void, the Witch of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. So, huwag tayong mapupundeha for these days kasi medyo magiging childish itong ating person. But then again, ito yata yung kanilang way of parang paglambing, no? Whether magiging mushy sila, whether magpapacuddle sila, whether magbe-baby talk, no? Or whether mang-aasar, even to a point na mang-aasar. Whatever their ways of paglalambing ba, yun yung kanilang magiging approach, no? Sa iyo ngayon. So, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo baka ma-trigger lang tayo. Imbis na matuwa tayo, baka mainis tayo. Kaya wag naman. Kasi meron silang different way of parang approach, no, to express their emotions. With the Two of Cups, nandito naman yung pagmamahal nila. Baka misinterpret lang natin, especially nasa retrograde pa tayo, no? So this is your quick reading for March the 9th to March the 10th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.